Today, I will share with you the top 3 foods to prevent leg cramps in seniors. As we age, maintaining strong and healthy legs becomes crucial for our overall well-being and mobility. However, leg cramps can be a frustrating and painful condition that affects many seniors, limiting their mobility and causing discomfort. Fortunately, there are certain foods that can effectively prevent leg cramps, allowing you to stay active and enjoy your golden years without pain. In this video, we will explore the top 3 foods that have been proven to reduce the risk of leg cramps in seniors, backed by scientific evidence. These foods are not only delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily diet, but also readily available. Say goodbye to leg cramps and hello to an active and fulfilling lifestyle with these simple dietary additions. Stay tuned until the end to discover all 3 superfoods and learn how to incorporate them into your meals. Don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Now let's dive in. Muscle fatigue is a leading cause of cramps, and protein is essential for muscle repair and maintenance. Seniors often experience age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia, which increases susceptibility to cramps and weakness. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, and older adults may benefit from consuming more protein to combat sarcopenia and reduce cramp occurrences. 1 large egg provides about 6 grams of protein, contributing to daily requirements. The egg's choline content supports muscle health, while the yolk's vitamin D strengthens bones, reducing fall-related leg injuries. Additionally, eggs are rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, protecting against oxidative stress and inflammation, promoting healthy muscles. Incorporating eggs into your diet, such as in omelets or salads, can help prevent leg cramps and improve overall leg health. By providing essential nutrients, eggs are a valuable addition to a balanced diet for seniors aiming to reduce cramps and maintain mobility. Protein is crucial for maintaining healthy muscles and preventing age-related muscle loss. A deficiency in protein intake can lead to muscle weakness and increase the risk of cramps. Older adults are often recommended to consume a minimum of 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight per day. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, and low-fat dairy products. Protein helps repair muscle tissue, supports muscle growth, and enhances recovery after physical activity. By consuming adequate amounts of protein, older adults can maintain muscle strength and reduce the risk of leg cramps. It is important to distribute protein intake throughout the day and ensure that it is of high quality and easily digestible. Including protein-rich foods in every meal can help meet daily requirements and support overall muscle health. For example, having a protein shake or yogurt in the morning, chicken or tofu for lunch, and beans or lentils in the evening can help maintain proper muscle function and reduce the likelihood of leg cramps. Additionally, combining different protein sources can ensure that you are getting all the essential amino acids necessary for optimal muscle health. Consult with a healthcare professional or a dietitian to determine your individual protein needs and create a personalized meal plan that incorporates a variety of protein-rich foods. Now let's move on to the next food. Calcium is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy bones and muscles. As we age, our bodies require sufficient calcium levels to ensure proper muscle function and prevent cramps. On average, older adults should consume around 1,200 milligrams of calcium per day. Good sources of calcium include dairy products, fortified plant-based milk, tofu, and leafy green vegetables. Calcium helps regulate muscle contractions and prevents cramping by ensuring proper nerve impulse transmission. It also contributes to overall bone health, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. To maintain adequate calcium intake, it is important to include calcium-rich foods in your daily diet. For example, having a bowl of Greek yogurt, fortified almond milk, or a salad with kale or broccoli can provide a good amount of calcium. Additionally, Consuming calcium-rich foods regularly can help prevent bone loss and reduce the risk of falls and fractures. It is also recommended to choose foods that are naturally high in calcium rather than relying solely on supplements. If you have difficulty consuming enough calcium through your diet, consult with a healthcare professional who may recommend calcium supplements. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining proper muscle function. It helps regulate fluid balance, supports nerve impulses, and prevents cramping. On average, older adults should consume around 4,700 milligrams of potassium per day. Excellent sources of potassium include bananas, avocados, sweet potatoes, spinach, and salmon. Potassium counteracts the effects of sodium, which can contribute to dehydration and muscle cramps. It also aids in maintaining blood pressure levels and supports overall hydration. To ensure adequate potassium intake, it is recommended to include potassium-rich foods in your daily diet. For example, having a banana or avocado as a snack, adding sweet potatoes or spinach to your meals, and incorporating salmon or other fish rich in potassium can help maintain proper muscle function. It is important to note that high levels of potassium can be harmful, especially for individuals with kidney disease. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor your potassium intake and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Overall, maintaining sufficient potassium levels through diet can help prevent leg cramps and support healthy muscle function in older adults. I understand that dealing with leg cramps can be really challenging, which is why I am committed to bringing you more helpful content. If you found this video useful, please show your support by liking the video and sharing it with others who might benefit from this information. Your support means everything to me and motivates me to keep creating valuable content for you. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care. Bye for now.